Samson Julius. Mayor Samson Julius, thank you. Thank you for raising the show. We would like to acknowledge the presence of Mayor Samson Julius. Mayor Samson Julius, thank you. Thank you for raising the show.
Round number 3. Albert Pagara. Hindi ko na kailangan sabihin sa inyo yung blondie na kulay green ang trunks, no? In Alan Villanueva, the naturally bigger guy, receive a jab. Another jab for Albert Pagara. Loving the action here at Talisay. Kanina may nakasakay akong tricycle driver. Sumakay ako, sabi, "Sir, sino ba yung may laban? Albert? Siya ba yung the Prince Albert?" Talagang sabi niya dito, maraming manonood at maraming nga. You know? Oh, good uppercut. Suma. Parang ahas, sumiksik lang doon sa loob ng gitna ng kanyang kamay. Naipasok yun ni Albert. And Albert throwing heavy punches, combination, hooks after hooks. Another jab for Albert. He's faking. Ayan, let's watch out for the stamina of both boxers. Mabilis, mas mabilis si Albert dito sa mga kamay niya. Good right. Nice body. Body. Ay, ang gaganda ng mga body, ha. Buti wala pa tumitiklop. Good, nice. Nang mamama na si Alan dito, is moving forward. Usually when pag medyo tumatagal na, you know, the boxers have a feel of the power of their opponent. You know, it's either ingatan nila or pag brawler sila, they're just ready to accept it and trade it, no? Especially ang hirap tamaan ni Albert. Hirap eh, oh. Sayang yung mga suntok na yon. The punches na hindi tumatama sa kahit kanino o sa kalaban mo, yun ang nakakapagod. Ayan na, body. Kala ko magsha-shell na eh. And that body shot, very good for Albert. Di ka pa nakashare dito, share mo na. Like, comment. Don't hesitate, guys. Boom, body shot, nakabalik. Uy, no? Iba yung depensa. Galing. The head movement. And the crowd happy, no? Minsan, usually, we are happy pag nakakita tayo ng mga suntok na malalakas. Pero doon, pati depensa, parang na-appreciate na nila. And there you go, Albert, unloading at the end of this round. It's the return of Albert Pagara. Dito yan sa Talisay. Pau Salud, Pauka Sports. Grabe. Daming tao dito, no? And Albert Pagara showing off his defense, not just his offense, against the bigger guy, Alan Villanueva. And so far, the stamina is still looking good. Maganda ang stamina na pinapakita. Is jumping in right now. Kanina maingay yung mga tao, sabi ko nga no. Dito ngayon parang tahimik sila. 4 na. 8 lang to. Uy, nakatama. Uy, bumalik. Nice work. Uy. Jab. Palitan sila ng jab doon, no? Medyo naging nagpahinga ng konti, no? Yung dalawa. Ito na si Alan. He's going to the body now. Gusto makakuha ng ng knockout eh. And medyo ngayon bilang-bilang na sila. Of course, kailangan na rin mag-conserve ng energy kahit papaano. Medyo kailangan hindi matiming ni Alan, mabilis kasi yung head movement ni Albert, mabilis yung head movement niya. Credit to the reflex of Albert, nandoon pa. Uy. Nakasalubong ng right. Time. Hello guys, Pau Salud, Pauka Sports. Dito tayo sa Talisay. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung dito yung mga tao. Look at the crowd. Ha? Ay! Umayaw na? Ayaw na! Umayaw na! Sayang naman. Medyo disappointing yung victory. Ganon. Sayang. Sayang! Umayaw guys! Umayaw! Nag-i-eksena pa lang ako dito eh. Umayaw na daw. Ano ba yun? Sayang Alan. Albert Pagara takes a win but sayang, hindi masyado maganda yung yung tapos. Hindi masyado maganda yung tapos. But congrats nonetheless, Albert Pagara. Ay, sayang guys. Alan Villanueva. Ano nangyari? Umayaw na lang? Sakit ang ilong daw? Sayang. Anyway, the full pack team of Albert nandito. So main event na next. Bad boy.
Ladies and gentlemen, boxer Villanueva refuses to continue at the end of the 4th round. We have a winner, technical knockout, and he's back, Albert Prince Pagara!
Panalo si Albert. Kaso, sayang, gusto niya sana makatapos eh. Sayang. Kapanginayang. Anyway, talagang medyo mabilis naman talaga yung mga galawan ni Albert. At ito na yung ano, may ano,
Congratulations.
may interview.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.